So I'm Jordan Pattison here with Tripleplay. We're here at ISE 2020, and what we're demonstrating here is our award-winning industry-leading platform, which is for digital signage, IPTV and video streaming. What did Caveman do? He invented things, simple innovations like the wheel, like fire, a walking basket. What this is doing here for Tripleplay, we are able to do simple innovations we're bringing to the market with client-led technology. What you're seeing here is a social media platform. Many of our clients have asked for integration into social media natively in the platform. That is what we're now delivering. And then over here, you'll see Multiview. This is an award-winning feature. This means we can have up to 9 IPTV streams, all on one device from one set-top box, one digital signage license. Again, we don't need to have massive whole-scale changes within the business. All we need to do is simple tweaks, simple innovation. And if you want to find out more, you can go to www.tripleplay.tv and you can find about all of our features in nice 60, 90-second videos.